SERV Stock analysis. Monday, is it a buy or not? Let's see where is SERV Robotics going next. Now with SERV Robotics, it's a good $11.16 level. This is where we're sitting at. From a first glance, it's also like a pretty solid bullish trend as well. I mean, this is what I'm looking at, and that is just like on the retraced where we're at. I wouldn't necessarily be just randomly buy here, and how I would more so approach this market is I want to see a double break inside the zone, and after it gives me that, only then I'll take higher. If the price does not give me that, then I'm not gonna try and force stuff. Like first rule, always stick to the rules. Second rule, not forget the one rule, but the first rule. But yeah, like all I'm using is the strategy that I've overall refined after 26,000 videos in 4 years that I've been trading and refining my strategy. So, and all of that was documented on my YouTube channel. If you want to learn, feel free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.